Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to compare Xfinity and Starlink. Xfinity offers fiber-powered gig Wi-Fi starting at $50 per month for 5 years, including Wi-Fi equipment, unlimited data, and 2 years of Peacock Premium. A 300 Mbps plan is available for $40 per month with a year of unlimited mobile service included. The service features no contracts, risk-free 30-day trials, and competitive savings compared to Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. Xfinity also provides sports and news channels including NBC, ABC, CBS, Fox, ESPN, and ESPN2 with Peacock Premium included. Let's discuss its customer feedback on Trustpilot. Users commonly report poor customer service, frequent outages, slow or inconsistent internet speeds, and billing issues. Many feel that the service fails to meet advertised promises, leading to frustration and distrust. Overall, the review suggests a highly negative user experience despite promotional offers. On the other side, Starlink by SpaceX delivers high-speed internet from space, providing reliable connectivity at home, on the go, or in remote locations worldwide. Setup is simple, just plug in and point the dish at the sky. With flexible service plans available, designed for both residential and business use, it supports streaming, gaming, video calls, and remote work. Backed by SpaceX's expertise in spacecraft and orbital operations, Starlink enables connectivity where traditional internet is limited. Let's discuss its customer feedback on Trustpilot. Starlink's rating on Trustpilot reflects widespread customer frustration, primarily due to slow speeds, inconsistent connectivity, and occasional outages. Some users report difficulty with setup or customer support delays, especially in remote areas. While the service works for certain locations, many feel it falls short of advertised reliability and performance expectations. Now we will talk about their pricing, pros and cons. Xfinity is priced between $40 and $110 per month, depending on the plan. On the positive side, Xfinity offers fast, stable internet with low latency and is widely available in cities. On the downside, it is limited to cable or fiber areas, and some plans have data caps. Starlink costs around $120 per month plus an additional upfront hardware fee. On the positive side, Starlink works almost everywhere, provides decent speeds with no data caps, and has an easy setup. On the downside, it is expensive, weather or obstructions can affect the signal, and latency can be variable. Overall, Xfinity offers more affordable, stable home internet for urban areas, while Starlink provides high-speed connectivity in remote locations but at higher cost. That's it, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.